For a trail that offers a great outdoor experience as well as an educational trek, look no further than West Central Iowa's Springbrook State Park Lake Trail. Wrapping just under 2 miles around Springbrook Lake, this trail offers a perfect dip into the environment and offerings of the park. The Lake Trail is an interpretive trail, with markers along the route denoting locations to learn something about the ecology of the area, as well as great spots to rest and soak in the scenery. As you hike to the northern edge of the path and leave the lake behind, you'll make your way to the marsh and spring area of the site. The turn back south happens to be the halfway point of the route. As with most trails, Lake Trail offers a handful of branching treks, but our path will hug the lake the whole way around. You'll know your hike is nearing the finish when the CCC shelter and adjacent beach come into view. Springbrook's Lake Trail, a wonderful adventure no matter when you find yourself on the calendar. And should you come for one of the park's educational events, you could end up spending half the day on this short path.